Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna be downloading some free games right here on your Xbox using your Xbox Live Gold membership. So let's just go right into my games and apps. Under my games and apps, I just have to scroll down where it says Gold. Under Gold, I'm gonna see the 3 free games that I can install right now. Let's just go right into our first option just to take a further look at them. And right here, we're gonna see all 3 of them. So they should all say free, except for any Xbox 360 games that do work on Xbox One, but they usually don't say price because later on they will tell you that it's free, and that's the only one that you have to confirm payment information, although it's free. For these other 2 guys, such as Batman, you don't need to confirm any payment information, and it's free. Once again, they should say free. So let's just get started with the most difficult one, which is the Xbox 360 game. So let's just go right into it. Once we are there, just scroll down. You're gonna see price, so just click on see price, and it should say free. After free, we're just gonna confirm some stuff. So right up here, it should say free, like I mentioned. So as long as it says free, go ahead and continue to verify your payment information. Once you have confirmed your payment information, you might get something like this. Now this is a glitch from Xbox. It's not supposed to be this huge, but it's a glitch that happens with Xbox 360 games. Don't worry about it, let's just click on done. If it doesn't let you click on done, just go back by pressing B and go again into see the price. And then right away, after it tells you to verify your payment information, it's gonna take you to this screen. So that's how it's supposed to look, not humongous like we saw it a minute ago. Let's just click on done. And once we do that, it has to download by itself. So right now it's pending, that's fine, there's other updates going on. Let's just go right into the next game and then we're gonna see the total size of this game. So let's just go into the second one. We're gonna scroll down, and right now on top of here it should say free, so we're good to go. Press get. Now these are full versions, they're not trials and they're not just demos. They're full versions you guys get to keep, you guys get to play, so you don't need to press on buy to own because you guys have it and it's free. So let's just go back. Same goes with Batman. We're gonna go right into it. It should say free once again. We're just gonna press on get. As you may notice with these games that are meant for Xbox One, those you don't have to verify any payment information. It's just something that Xbox does with Xbox 360 games, but not with these games. So let's just go back. So right now we can see that this game is only 11 gigs, so it's not humongous. We're just gonna pause it so we can see the other games and how big they are. So we're gonna pause installation for now. So the 238 gigs, I think they should be the Xbox 360 game. However, it could also be part of Batman because these 2 could be part of Batman. Down here I can see there's a couple of them. So it depends on the episodes, right? So there's gonna be quite a few from Batman. So expect Batman to be quite a big game since we do have to do quite a bit of downloads on it. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.